Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see how to fine tune a model by using the Gemini. So in this one we are opening the Google AI Studio. You can see it over the screen. So we try to see new tuned model. So we try to click on the new tuned model and here select the data for tuning. Either it could be a structured data or Google Sheet or in a CSV, that is nothing but the comma separated value file. So in this case I am taking the CSV, that is nothing but the data science frequently asked question. So I am uploading, so that is ds underscore CSV data science query, which is nothing but the question and answer I am importing. You can see it on the screen, ds underscore CSV, and we need to provide the details. So what is the input and what is the output? It will try to take and open the window. You can see it on the screen. The first one will be the questions is the input column and the answer will be the output column. You can come down and see that we are selecting as input column. The next one we are selecting as an output column. You can scroll down and see it. And how many rows and samples are there? Here we are considering as a 33. So we are selecting and importing the data. And it is giving as an tune model name. You can give it data science query model. And the description also I am taking the same thing and handovering in the description section too. And after this one I am clicking on the tune the model, and you can check all the details and you can see the model it is tuning. Click on the model, it is in a progress, and we can see the loss versus epochs. Okay, this loss versus epochs is the window it will try to open. It will take a few minutes to update this graph. Wait for a minute so that you can get the graph. And here you can see epochs batch learning rate. So epochs is nothing but the 5, batch size is nothing but the 4, and learning rate is 0.001. You can see the epochs versus last epochs. You can see it on the graph. Now click this one, DS query model, and come down and use the structured prompt to enter the query. So now you test your prompt. So that is the test your prompt it was showing. So now what input we want to provide. So I am moving on to the CS query CSV file which I have taken as in a training the data, and I am opening for reference. I am keeping over here and I am selecting the one what is the confusion matrix. That's one I am taking and I am putting over here. You need to take the text copy and put it over here and run. Now you can see the output in output window, and it is showing the answer. A confusion matrix divides information, provides performance classification of a model. And we are going on to the next one. So is this course is good for freshers? This data science course is good for freshers or not? I am taking this question and I am putting and pasting over here and click the run button. So it was showing as an yes, the output is yes mission. Or then you can move, get the code and click the Python, and you can see you can give the Google API key and the model name also. You can see DS query model, and you can use this model on your local machine. And like this we can fine tune and we can download or you can use the model on your local by using the Python. And this much we try to cover in this video. If you have any doubts please let me know and we will try to meet in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.